snoring loudly every night. You could be stopping your own breath. Sleep apnea causes your breathing to pause while you sleep, leading to brain fog, high blood pressure, stroke, and even heart failure. Most people don't even know they have it. The Tole's herbs support oxygen circulation, reduce inflammation in airways, and the Tole's acupuncture helps tone muscles and nerves involved in breathing, improving sleep naturally. Snoring isn't harmless. Take back your breath with the Tole's natural care. Healing starts here. Healing starts with the Tole.